The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, we came back down to reality a little bit today, but it still wasn't a bad day to be outside. You'll notice right now we have a couple of clouds out across parts of South Side, a couple of clouds up, say, towards the Highlands. Otherwise, we're closing out the day with partly to mostly sunny skies. Clouds, though, will build for us here as we head into tonight. And by 7, 8, 9 a.m. on Saturday, we will have maybe a couple of rain and or snow showers possible. Best chance to see some snowflakes tomorrow will be in the higher elevations of the New River Valley. Farther east towards South Side, if you do see any precipitation, it would just be a stray rain shower. Okay, so heading into the afternoon tomorrow, any of this light precipitation that we do get tomorrow morning will be gone. All right. You need to know that many more of us tomorrow will stay dry than get wet, with the New River Valley again having the best chance to see a couple of rain and or snow showers. As we look at Saturday close to dinner time, we could close out the day tomorrow with some sunshine. After what will be a cloudy morning, we may see a little more sunshine late tomorrow. Then clouds come right back into play for us as we head into Saturday night. Sunday morning at 7 a.m. looks like we could have maybe a couple of rain showers around, maybe mixing in with some sleet pellets and a little bit of freezing rain. But the moisture really gets its act together late in the morning into the afternoon. At that point in time, along and north of Highway 460, it could be a little bit of a wintry mix. South of 460, stay towards South Side, it's mainly just going to be a cold rain. So if you want to see any wintry weather on Sunday, I think you may basically have to go in towards the higher elevations north of 460. That's where we could see a little bit more in the way of snowflakes and sleet pellets. As far as next week's pattern is concerned, yeah, we see what you're seeing if you're following the computer models, and there are indicators that we could be setting up for a little bit of a wintry pattern very late next week. We're talking like Friday. The question becomes, can we get the cold air source to the north meshing with the moisture source to the south? That question cannot be answered yes or no right now. It's something we're watching, and it does look favorable for us to pick up on at least some wintry weather as we head into Friday, but way too early to speculate as to what could potentially happen 1 week from today, as we are about a week out, and right now we're just looking at general patterns and can't really give you any specifics at this point. Now, as far as winds are concerned, it's breezy today. Right now, the strongest wind is in Roanoke at 16 miles per hour. Peak wind gusts today were anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour, but the trend will be for those winds to weaken tonight, and then on Saturday and Sunday, I won't say the winds are going to be light. Their winds are going to be sustained about 5 to 10. Could have a couple of gusts 10 to 20 miles per hour over the weekend. But again, the winds won't be as strong Saturday and Sunday as they were today. 48 right now, Lynchburg, 45 Roanoke, 40 Wytheville, 39 in Blacksburg, 34 in Covington. Well, these numbers have changed in just one day because of the cooler temperatures. We are right now dealing with the second warmest January ever on record in Roanoke and Blacksburg, third warmest in Lynchburg, and fourth warmest in Covington and Danville. If you remember yesterday, there are a lot of 1s and 2s showing up on that graphic. Now we're seeing some 2s, 3s, and 4s, and those numbers will continue to be less impressive as we head in the weekend, as temperatures will continue to go down. Overnight tonight, anywhere between about 30 and 35. 3-day zone-by-zone forecast showing highs at their coolest in the NRV on Sunday. Ditto for the Highlands. Highlands and NRV will probably fail to get out of the 30s on Sunday. South Side, your warmest day will come on Monday, 54. In Lynchburg, rain chances on Sunday, and we're going to have to watch next Friday closely. Those are your 2 chances for precipitation over the next 7 days. And in Roanoke, you go from the 50s tomorrow into the 40s on Sunday, back into the lower 50s Monday through Wednesday of next week.